Yesterday, in episode 34, GLM 5.2 beat GPT 5.5 under MIT license. Llama is also called open source. So is OLMO. They mean different things. In this episode, you'll understand the three tiers of openness. There is no single definition of open source AI. Three tiers exist in practice: truly open, open weights with a permissive license, open weights with a restrictive license, and closed, a PI only. Tier 1, truly open, MIT or Apache 2.0 license. Anyone can download the weights, fine-tune, redistribute, and ship commercially without permission. Examples: GLM 5.2, DeepSeek, Mistral, OLMO, Bloom. Tier 2, open weights, restrictive license, the Meta Llama family, anyone under 700 million monthly active users can use it. Above that threshold, you need a separate license from Meta plus acceptable use restrictions that close certain applications. Tier 3, closed, weights never released, access only, through a paid API. Examples: GPT 5.5, Claude Opus, Claude Fable, Claude Mythos, Gemini 3.1. You can use them, you cannot run them locally. Important nuance: even most truly open models do not release training data. Open weights is not the same as open data. The training set is usually the deepest secret. Why some labs choose open distribution, ecosystem, hardware partnerships, and the way Z.ai did with GLM 5.2, a signal to Silicon Valley that open weights can match closed. Why some labs choose closed, revenue, safety control, and the moat. If your weights are public, anyone can fine-tune or distill them. Closed weights protect the business model. OpenAI, Anthropic, Google all chose this path. And here's the geopolitical layer. Open weights cross borders without export controls. The US BIS cannot stop a file on Hugging Face from being downloaded in Beijing or vice versa. That is one reason China's frontier labs heavily favor open weights. And the honest closer, open source AI is a contested term. Three tiers exist: truly open, restricted community, and closed. When a model is called open, ask which one. The answer shapes everything that follows. From zero, one concept, unpacked from scratch. Subscribe for the next one.